Hello, this is Crosby's World, and today we're actually doing a little thing different where we are, like, instead of opening up toys, I'm teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now, I used, like a couple days from now, I wasn't really good at doing Rubik's Cubes, and then I watched a video. And in 4 days, I was able to solve it completely. Now I'm going to teach you how I do it. So, first, the first step, we need to do the daisy. So, you may be wondering what the daisy is like. Let me show you. So, you first need to find the yellow center. Then you see how there's a white piece that's in the bottom middle. You need to turn it sideways. And now you need to turn it up. That creates 1 out of 4 petals of the daisy. Now there's another one on the bottom. And if it's blocking the way, we're going to need to turn it again. And now we need to turn this here and turn it up. And I keep doing that. And since there's some on the bottom, we just need to turn it up. And since there's 1 more on the bottom, you need to turn it up. By doing, this. And now you have all 4 daisy petals in place. Now don't worry if there's corner pieces. That's still okay. Now, you see how there's a green piece under mine? Align that green piece until it makes a little line with the middle piece. Now turn it twice. Now it's on the bottom. And since there's blue, I need to turn it here, turn it twice. It's already with the red, so yeah, turn it twice. Orange, turn it twice. Now you have a cross. And like I said, don't worry if there's more white corn pieces. Just, we're looking for this configuration right here. And now, we're gonna work on getting the whole bottom done. And this is where things start to get a little bit crazy. You see how there's a white piece here? Ignore the top piece. Identify the color next to it, which in this case it's orange. And now diagonally place it with the orange piece with the orange center. Now turn it up, turn it here, and turn it down. And look, now I have a corner piece right here. And this one's already done for us, so boom, boom. And since there's red, since this is diagonally matched on the other side, we're going to do this. Boom, boom, boom. And now there's only 1 more piece left. And this may happen with some of you guys or all. There's a white piece on the bottom. What do? Well, you turn it up and then you turn it here. You turn it down and then put it back here. Now that it's on the top, you need to turn it up, here, 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 here. And by the way, those moves that I was doing over there, like when I was doing, on the steps on where I was solving the bottom piece, the one that I was doing like that was the right trigger. And the one that I was doing that is the left trigger. And now the entire bottom layer is solved. Now we're gonna work on solving the middle. And so you start by looking for pieces with no yellow stickers. There's one right here. It has a green piece and an orange piece. Now, you need to turn that orange piece to make a T. And don't worry if there's like some like here. That's still okay. Now, look at the piece on top of it. It's a green. Green is on the left side. Now, do that. And now, since I've misplaced a white piece, I'm going to diagonally place it with the green since it has the green piece next to it, just like how we did in step 3, and then boom, boom, boom. Now, you'll notice that some of the pieces just got in place. Now, we need to do the same with green. So make my upside down T. There's a red, and there's a red on top. So now, we need to do this. And since it got misplaced, I need to diagonally point it here, and then boom, boom, boom. Now, since there's a red piece here, I need to do this. Like, since there's a blue piece on top, so since blue's right next to me, and now I've misplaced it. Now get it to the blue. And now I just have one more sticker to go. Now I see orange with blue. So now, like I did on the last ones, you need to do that. And since I've misplaced this orange piece, it's already matched with this somehow. And that. And sometimes I get a little clumsy and I accidentally don't do it, so there's blue here, make my upside down T, boom, 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 boom. And make my cross, boom, boom, boom. Now, we're gonna work on solving the yellow top. Now, if there's no, this is when I need to explain cube notation to you guys. So, what cube notation is, and like you basically need it for the rest of the steps that we're going to be doing here. So, like W, well, there's no W actually. So B would be turning the back clockwise. And like R would be turning the right side clockwise. L would be turning the left side clockwise. And then U would be turning the top side clockwise. And so now if you ever see a prime symbol, like, so like U prime, R prime, L prime, like any prime, that means turn it counterclockwise. And if you ever see like U2, F2, that means to turn it 2 times clockwise. And so now, what you would do if you only had the yellow middle piece and like there would be like no L's, like because right now I see an L, you would do F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And then you would get a line. Make it go straight down relative to your perspective, and then do it again. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Then, if you get to any point where like, you can kind of see how there's an backwards L, and don't worry if there's like corner pieces, then do the following algorithm again. F prime, F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Now, you'll get this. And you want this to go at the green, but since there's only one, and you should only have 2 yellow pieces, or 0 or 1. If you have 2 or 0, since these yellow pieces aren't matched with each other, point this yellow piece so then it's aligned exactly like this. But don't worry if these don't match. It doesn't matter. And so now do this. Like face it. Like face the orange side to you. Now we're going to do a new algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now that made a plus with the yellow side. Now do that algorithm again. So, R, U, F prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now we're back to this shape. But, as you can see, both of the yellow pieces are together. Now, I line that with the green piece, both. And now, do that algorithm, but instead, have the green piece facing you. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now, you'll have, if you have like this configuration right here, it'll look like there's a fish. Align the fish's mouth so it's pointing down. And then do that exact algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. If you see the fish again, then just do it one more time. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. We are finally ready to solve the entire cube. So, now we're going to be we're doing a new algorithm. It goes like this. L, R. U prime, L. U, R. Oh, R prime. R, U, R, U, R, U2, R prime. Now, if it doesn't do it again, if it doesn't make all of these corners match, then just do that algorithm one more time. And if you have matching corner pieces, face it on the right side and then do that algorithm. L, U, R prime, R, U prime, R, L, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And sometimes it doesn't work, so I'm going to do this off camera until I do it. Okay? Actually, sometimes if you can't get this configuration right here, then basically just keep doing all of the algorithms. So like F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, like keep doing that, and like maybe also L, U, R, and then all of those. And so now that you have this, it's time for the last step. This is the step where you complete the entire thing. So you'll see right here that one side is completely solved, while the others just have one little sticker until they're solved. How do you do that? Well, by doing the last algorithm. It goes like this. F2, U, R prime, L, F2, R prime, R, U, F2. And then there you go. The entire thing is solved. Now, if you can't do it once, then just do that algorithm twice. And if one of the sides isn't solved, but you have like all of those things where there's just like one more sticker until that side is solved, then do that 2 times. And then you'll finish the Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oh, if anybody can get this to Luke Wilson, please, I'm begging you, do it. Because he's my friend and he visited me at the hospital and I showed him how good I was at the Rubik's Cube. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.